दोस्तों हम लोग देख रहे हैं 100 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल लॉ एंड जुडिशियल एग्जाम. दीज क्वेश्चन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज आर गिवन इन आर्टिकल 51A. हु अपॉइंट्स अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? सो प्रेसिडेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी. सो इट इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट. प्लीडिंग मीन्स स्टेटिंग मटेरियल फैक्ट्स एंड नॉट एविडेंस. Definition of mortgage is given in 55 section 58 TPA. Provision for determination of lease is given in section 111 TPA. First division of schedule of period of limitation is prescribed for suits. Concurrent list is given in schedule 7 of the Constitution. The provision for condonation of delay is given in section 5 Limitation Act. A decree may be executed either by the court which passed it or by the court to which it is sent for execution. Bhat may be transferred space succession. Which of the following is set to the golden triangle of the Indian Constitution? So Article 14, 19 and 21. Copyright subsists after the death of an author for 60 years. International Criminal Court is located at Hague. Doctrine of subrogation applies to mortgage. Onerous gift under TPA section 127. Charge defined under section 100. The rent controlling authority should not below the rank of deputy collector. With whose cooperation Bhilai steel plant was established? Soviet Rus. The Specific Relief Act 1963 is the product of 9th report of the Law Commission of India on Specific Relief of 1958. Father of local self-government in India was Lord Ripon. Father of the international law Hugo Grotius. Voltaire was a French writer and philosopher. Damages allowed under section 73 of Indian Contract Act are compensatory damages. Nuddum pactum means without consideration. Satyavrat Ghosh versus Magniram Bangur is a case on frustration. The limit of testamentary power by a Muslim is 1/3. The Limitation Act appeal against a decree can be filed in High Court within 90 days. MP Accommodation Control Act. Who is the landlord for the purpose of section 23J of the MP Accommodation Control Act? A government servant. Under section 3 TPA, attested in relation to an instrument means attested by at least 2 witnesses. This section provides that the offences under NIA are compoundable. So section 147. Under section 143 of NIA, trial shall be concluded within 6 months from the date of filing of the complaint. Doctrine of necessity has been elaborately considered in landmark decision R versus Dudley and Stephens. The period of limitation for review of the judgment is 30 days. Which section deals with specific performance of part of contract? So section 12 SRA. The provision regarding interpleader suit has been incorporated in which section? So section 88. CPC में reference review division कहाँ पे है? तो 113, 114 and 115. Provision of section 10 CPC are mandatory. Section 6 Limitation Act 1963 is available to plaintiff. Rest sub judice का मतलब क्या है? Stay of suit. Under section 100 CPC 1908, second appeal lies to High Court only on the ground of substantial question of law. Garnissy order under CPC 1908 is judgment. World Refugee Day is observed every year on 20th June. Decree under CPC is defined in 2(2) CPC. Which section of CPC 1908 legal representative have been explained? Section 2 subsection 11. Under TPA, sale is a transfer of ownership. Instrument under TPA means a non-testamentary instrument. A caveat shall not remain in force after the expiry of 19 days of its filing. The accounting rule in respect of loss arising due to insolvency of a partner is dealt with Garner versus Murray. Prohibited degree and subpenda relationship may overlap each other. The offence under section 250B of MPLRC is cognizable and non-bailable. Davis Cup is related to which sport? Tennis. How many times late Atal Bihari Vajpayee was PM of India? 3. Veins carry blood towards the heart. Retired Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India case is related to a bench of 9 justices. Pigeonhole theory was propounded by Salmond. In which case fundamental test for determining duty to take care was laid down? Donoghue versus Stevenson. When a negotiable instrument is dishonored, the liable party pay compensation to the holder. Legal maxim Autrophis is related to double jeopardy. Carry forward rule is ultra vires was held in case of Devdasan versus Union of India. Mitakshara is a commentary of Yajbanalak Smriti. Writ of quo warranto can be filed by any private person whether aggrieved or not. The test for determining bias is known as reasonable likelihood test. Amnesty International has its headquarters at London. Which article of the Constitution says that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all the courts within the territory of India? So Article 141. Next, under the provision of Code of Civil Procedure of second appeal lies in a suit for recovery of money not exceeding 25,000. The period of limitation for filing an application for the restoration of the suit is 30 days. Under Section 21 SRA, the court shall not award compensation unless the plaintiff has claimed it in his plaint. Next, a limitation to file suit for recovery of specific immovable property under Section 6 SRA is 6 months. In criminal proceeding, the fact that the accused is of good character is relevant. Provision for interpleader suit is contained in this section of CPC? Section 88. CPC Amendment 2002 came into force on 1st July 2002. Rule of constructive res judicata contained expressly in CPC. Doctrine of marshalling has been provided in the which of the following section of TPA? So Section 56 and Section 81. The doctrine of res judicata is not applicable to habeas corpus. Next, remedy of foreclosure is available in which one of the following mortgages? So mortgage by conditional sale. Which one of the following section of TP Act deals with the doctrine of substituted security? So Section 71. Ram Kumar Kundu versus MC Queen is related to ostensible honor. Rule against double possibilities was recognized in which case? Whitby v. Michel. Masne profit defined in CPC Section 2 subsection 12. The Hindu Marriage Act contains the provision regarding divorce in Section 13. Which section provides restitution of conjugal rights? Section 9. Talaq ul biddat is complete and irrevocable divorce. An actionable claim can be transferred by an instrument in writing signed by the transfer. Fraudulent transfer is defined in Section 53 TPA. An agreement made without free consent is voidable. A proposal when accepted becomes a promise. Redeem up foreclosure down is a combination of the provision of Section 91 and 94. Gift of a future property is void. CPC amendment came into force on 1st July 2002. Collector may be appointed as receiver order 40 Rule 5. Compensatory costs in respect of false or vexatious claim or defense can be awarded up to 3,000. An appeal shall lie only from such order as provided in CPC. A plaint is liable to be returned when plaint is filed in the court having no jurisdiction. The expression each party shall bear his own cost implies that both the parties are to be deprived of costs. In which cases the Supreme Court upheld validity of Section 51 CPC. Jolly George Varghese versus Bank of Coaching. A residing in Delhi publicist in Kolkata statement of defamatory of B may sue AN. Either Delhi or Kolkata. Who is the father of international law? Grotius. Finance Commission is whether constitution body? Yes. In which order provision for temporary injunction? Order 39. Antonym of proclaim is suppress. Synonym of advice is counsel. Scurvy disease is case due to lack of vitamin C. 26 जुलाई को क्या है? करगिल विजय दिवस. जिमित वाहन इज नाउन फॉर इज वर्क. दाएं भाग अंडर विच सेक्शन हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट सेरेमनी ऑफ हिंदू मैरिज इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड? सेक्शन 7. सो दोस्तों वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हम लोग इस चैनल पर देखते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।